Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 login and slow problem. So first you need to right click on your taskbar, go to task manager. You can do same thing using Ctrl Shift plus ESC pressing simultaneously. Once you are open, go to startup tab. Disable unnecessary application that are effective startup. So you can see these are the application are enabled. If it is not necessary, just tap on disable. So do the same thing for all the enabled application if it is not necessary. Once it is done, you can close this one. Tap on power start menu, go to setting. Under system section, scroll down and go to storage option. You can see there are option for temporary files. Just select that one. So these are the temporary files you can remove. You can tick the unnecessary ones, then after tap on remove files. So other than that, you can scroll down and come to cleanup recommendation option. So you can delete those data from here also. Cleanup, tap on cleanup, it will be clean from your computer. So once it is done, you can close this one. Go to search bar, search for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. It is right here, just tap on it. Select the tick for adjust for best performance like this. Tap on apply, tap on OK. Then after, go to search bar again, search for control panel, tap on it. Change the view by into categories, tap on hardware and sound, go to power options. So if you are using balance plan, you can tap on create a power plan. Make sure set it as high performance plan. You can rename the plan name, tap on next. So you can customize the options, turn off display time and plug-in time, then after tap on create. So you can see now it is active plan. So this plan is using a high performance, so your lagging problem will be fixed. Again tap on start menu, go to setting, go to privacy and security. Sorry about that, not the privacy and security. You need to go to apps because setting a little bit changed, and go to apps and features in this time. Once the apps are loaded, find your apps. You need to limit it is running on the background. So as an example, I am going to choose the camera option, tap on it. In three dots, tap on advanced options, scroll down, and it asks background app permissions. It say let this app run in the background. Just tap on it and you can tap on never. So it will be not running on the background. So it will save your RAM memory. So you can do same thing to other apps also. Once it is done, you can close this one and again go to start menu, go to setting, go to Windows Update. Make sure you are running on the latest Windows Update. If you post your updates, just tap on resume, and if you see check for update option, just tap on it. And again you need to go to start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, tap on display option, scroll down, tap on graphics. In this app list, you can select one of the app. So you can choose which graphic driver used for that application. As an example, if you see the game from here, you can select your high performance graphic card for that one, then tap on save. So it will fix the lagging issue on that game also. Once it is done, you can close this one and right click on the start menu again, go to device manager. Make sure to update all the drivers if it is run on latest update like this. Then after, close this one, close this one. So then after, you need to restart your PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI setting by pressing F2 or F10 key in your keyboard. There is option, if you see option called enable XMP, just enable it. It will run RAM at its rated speed for better performance. So finally, you can go to search bar, type disk defragment, just tap on it, and you can select your drive to that need to speed up. Just tap on optimize. This will defragment and optimize the hard drive. So these are the methods you can try to fix your Windows 11 lagging and slow problem. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.